Hello, my name is Stacy Park, and I'm a research fellow for the Digital Humanities at the Claremont Colleges. This first tutorial video on Scalar will teach you about book and user management and the general workflow. When I first log into Scalar, this should be the home page that you see. If I click this dashboard button, it'll take me to my account properties. So on the left, you'll see my account information, and on the right, you'll see all of the books that I'm a part of. Once I've logged in and I'm here and I go to the specific book that I want to work in, there's sort of two modes that you can work in via Scalar. You can work in book mode here, and that'll allow you to see and toggle through your book in the same way that your readers and users are going to look through the book. So as I'm going along and I want to edit certain things, I'll click this pencil, and then it'll take me to my edit mode for any given page, and I'll be able to make edits, any changes to that specific page here. And then whatever I've done, I'll hit save and view. And it's important to click save, that button next to save and view every so often when you're making edits. And then once you're done and you hit save and view, you'll be able to see your page with all of the various changes that you've made. And this is generally how I would work as I'm building my Scalar book. I've created all of my pages, I've uploaded all of my media, I've sort of got everything together in the sort of blanket order that I want to work in. I would go work through my pages through this book mode here. Another way to look at what you have in your book is through your dashboard. Your dashboard is the back end of your book, which shows all of the properties or high-level overview sort of information that'll be helpful for you to make any sort of macro level changes, as well as just seeing your book at a different perspective, from a different perspective. So your book properties are important for like publishing information, and your table of contents for the order of pages that you want to sort of move around. I can move whatever page I want to a different order, as well as permissions informations for how you want people to see your book and how you want people to search your book. The other tab that's important is content. So instead of looking at my book in the book mode where I get to sort of see everything in that fashion, in my content tab in the dashboard section, I get to see everything that I have in my book in a list. And this can be helpful for a number of reasons. So you can sort of keep track of everything that you've already done and already uploaded. Like if I go to media, I can see all of the media and all of the videos, images, whatever it is that I've uploaded in this list fashion. And I can sort of organize and get myself oriented that way. So I see everything, all of the content in its sort of disparate parts in a list. Same with paths and tags, which are structural changes in terms of like order of how you want the reader to experience your pages or how you've grouped your pages. You can sort of see it in a list that way. Same with any sort of annotations or notes that you want to add to your book. You can sort of see in a list fashion also. If you want to delete anything in your book, you want to go to your dashboard and you want to click whatever item it is and then hit delete selected. It works the same with media. You can select something and delete it down here. And the last thing I want to show you is creating a page. So there's sort of two ways you could go about it. You can hit add new page at the bottom here from your dashboard, or in book view, you can hit this little plus sign and that'll help you create a new page as well. But that's the general sort of workflow for Scalar. You can either work in this book view as you're editing and you're creating pages, or if you want to view the content of your book in a more high level way, or you want sort of just to see everything in a list, your dashboard is where you would want to go for that. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on Scalar. Feel free to contact us through our website or through email if you have any questions. Follow us on social media to see our latest updates.